Little storyteller.
Okay, I will generate a story based on the video title and description, creating a narrative script, and generating high-definition photos in a 16:9 720p size, high-quality 3D animation style, similar to Pixar or DreamWorks, focusing on appeal and clarity for kids aged 5. I will use simple vocabulary, positive themes, a gentle pace, engaging characters, and a simple, clear plot with no scary or upsetting conflict. I will weave descriptions of the characters and settings into the narrative, focusing on details that would look good in vibrant, colorful 3D animation. The story will conclude with a clear, happy resolution and a simple, age-appropriate educational element or moral. I will generate an image for each scene. Diggy the Digger was a bright yellow excavator with big friendly eyes and a scoop that smiled. He loved digging. Today, Diggy was working in Sunny Meadow with his friends. There was Rosie the Roller, a cheerful pink road roller, who hummed happy tunes, and Benny the Bulldozer, a strong and steady bulldozer with a wide grin. Sunny Meadow was a beautiful place with green grass that tickled your toes, colorful flowers that danced in the breeze, and a sparkling blue river that giggled as it flowed by. A fluffy white bunny, with twitchy pink nose, watched them from a patch of daisies. Beep, beep. Diggy called out happily, as his scoop went into the soft earth. He was digging a new path for the children to walk on. Suddenly, his scoop hit something hard. Clunk! Carefully Diggy dug around the object. He lifted it out of the ground. It was an old wooden chest with a rusty lock. "Wow!" exclaimed Rosie, rolling closer. Benny rumbled over to take a look. "What do you think is inside?" he asked. The fluffy bunny hopped closer, its nose twitching with curiosity. Diggy tried to open the chest, but the lock was stuck tight. Benny gently used his strong blade to carefully pry open the old lock. Creak! The lid of the chest opened slowly. Inside, there were no shiny gold coins or sparkling jewels. Instead, they found a collection of colorful lunchboxes. They were old and a little dusty, but each one had a different picture on it. A big blue truck, a speedy red race car, and even a funny green dinosaur. "Wowzers!" said Rosie. "Look at these." The crew started taking out the lunchboxes. They wondered who they belonged to, and what yummy snacks might have been inside a long, long time ago. Maybe sandwiches shaped like stars, Diggy guessed, or cookies with rainbow sprinkles, Rosie added. Benny chuckled. Perhaps juicy red apples and crunchy carrots. They decided to clean the lunchboxes. Rosie gently rolled over them, smoothing away the dust. Diggy used his brush to wipe off the dirt, and Benny used his strong air blower to puff away any remaining dust. Soon the lunchboxes were shining brightly in the sun. The fluffy bunny watched them, its nose wiggling. Diggy had an idea. "Let's use these lunchboxes to carry our own snacks," he exclaimed. Rosie and Benny thought it was a wonderful idea. They each chose their favorite lunchbox. Diggy picked the one with the big blue truck. Rosie chose the speedy red race car, and Benny liked the funny green dinosaur. The next day, they all came to Sunny Meadow, with their lunches packed in their vintage lunchboxes. Diggy had juicy strawberries and crunchy carrot sticks. Rosie had a yummy cheese sandwich cut into the shape of a heart, and some sweet grapes. Benny had a big apple and a banana. The fluffy bunny hopped over, and they shared some of their fruit with him. It was fun to imagine the people who used to carry these lunchboxes, and what their days were like. They learned that even though the treasure wasn't gold, it was still special because it was something they could use and share, making their own workdays a little more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.